Hi guys and welcome back. Now, do any of you remember these? Yes, it's a butterfly cake. I can remember my mum making these and putting them in my lunchbox for me to take to school. Needless to say, they didn't often get as far as the school gates, they were gone by then. Really delicious, really easy to make. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. These are the ingredients for our cake mix. I've got 4 ounces of softened butter, 4 ounces of caster sugar and 2 whole eggs. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 ounces of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course we're going to need some of these little baking cases. For our butter icing, I'm going to use 6 ounces of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 3 ounces of room softened butter. And of course I'm going to use a little bit of strawberry jam to put on the top. So I'm going to take a very large bowl and we're going to put all of our ingredients in this bowl. Put in the flour, put in the sugar, put in our 2 eggs, our butter, 4 ounces there, nicely softened, or should I say room temperature. Then some vanilla extract. I'm going to chuck in just 1 teaspoon, that'll be fine. Give it some background flavour. And some baking powder, just so that they raise a bit more. And that goes. Now we're going to give this a good mix together with an electric mixer until it goes creamy like this. Then we can fill up our little baking cases. They're in a muffin tin just to keep them right, and would you believe it, I could only make 11. Now for the butter icing, I've got 3 ounces of butter, 6 ounces of icing sugar, and of course for a little bit of flavouring, some vanilla extract. Give this a mix together. Now this is a little bit tricky, be patient guys. Doesn't look like it, but it does work in the end. Eventually you'll get a creamy mix like this. I wouldn't recommend doing this by hand, it would take forever. So an electric mixer is perfect. And eventually it's going to come out looking like this, quite stiff. Now for the work of art. Look at these beautiful little cakes that have come out of the oven. I'm going to cut the centres out like this. I'm using the knife to cut sort of into the cake, if you like, so it makes a little well. And then we can carefully remove this piece. Oh, where did it go? There it is. We'll cut that in half and that's going to make our butterfly wings. There we go. Looking good. So back to the cake, and it's time to put in the butter icing, followed by the 2 little butterfly wings. There's the first one, and there's number 2. Pop that in, finish it off with a little bit of jam on the top, and doesn't that look good? Just need a quick dusting of icing sugar. Now it's time to give one of these little beauties a try. Oh, so delicious. Just how I remember them. Except now I'm not on my way to school. Thanks for watching this latest video. Excuse the jam, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again next time. Bye for now.